Today, we talk about...
Yeah, so got a little active reptile going on back here, but besides the point, I am late, bro. So we gonna ask it. Someone asked me how I pack my shoes for my trips. And here you go. So shoes there, bags here. So I've already pre-packed. I'm gonna be wearing the Ambush-ish again. Hopefully I put out the Ambush history video by now, but if not, it's coming soon, I promise. Okay, so first things first, let's fill this bag. Well, actually what I do is, because I have room in this little flap of the Louis, what I do is I take the less bendable shoes like the Puma Sonics. There's no dirt on there, there probably is though. The Diadoras, and probably the other pair of Diadoras as well. I always love high tops, and I like to try to bring at least one high top per trip, and that's the Blazer Grim Reapers, baby. So I typically wear those on the way here and on the way back. So we're gonna pull this out, shout out Off-White one time. All right, so socks can obviously be stuck in there. I did that for some of these other ones, but I think I might have room actually. So we'll just flip one there, flip the other one this way. Then we'll take the next pair, line it up the opposite. Whoops, not that way. And we will do this. All right, and then we'll take this pair, do that, and take this pair, and do this. So there you go. Now you get a nice little neat row of not very flexible shoes. And then we just zoopity zoop. Got them. All right, now back to the main attraction. So these shoes obviously a lot more bendable, flexible. I'm really loving these Volts, man. They look great. It's so funny. In some lights they look straight up green, lime green, and other lights they look straight up yellow, straight up Volty. But anyway, so whew. I love how I bought a bunch of like Jason Mark products and then never use them, but it's nice to just have them in the bag just in case I have like a major shoe emergency. All right, so let me just set this up different. Actually, let me show you one and then I'll fill in the rest. So same idea, take a pair, stick it in there, and in this case, I will stick it to the rim. Come on, brah. It's hard to do this with one hand, you know what I'm saying? I'll take the other pair, slip it in opposite, and there you go. So squeeze them together, like so, in the corner. Boom, like that. And then we just keep stacking them like that. All right, so we'll take the next pair. Same idea, stick it in, Ba-da-bop. Let's now do these, why not? Stick this pair in, and stick that pair in, boom. Word up. So now you get an idea of what it be looking like. You just stack them like that, you know? And then now we do a second row. So let's take, why don't we take the Converses, stick them in one corner, stick them in another corner. Take the, whoops, sorry guys. Take the Yeezys next, stick them there. Really squeeze them tight, which you can luckily do because these shoes don't have a lot of structure. I'll take these sock darts, boing, and then fits nicely there. So as you can see, now we've got everything stacked up like so, double decker. And that's pretty much it. And then I'm just gonna rock these to the airport, and we end this. See you next time. Bye.